Okay friends, now we are going to make a family tree. The things that you have to be prepared are glue, crayon, crepe paper, scissors, family tree worksheet, and family member photos. Okay, let's see the tutorial. And now prepare the worksheet, scissor, glue, crayon, and the family members' photos. And don't forget the crepe paper. We cut the crepe paper like this. The first, you have to color the trunk of family tree with the brown color like this. Then you need to cut the crepe paper into small pieces like this. Cut the crepe paper into small pieces just like this. And then you can stick the glue in the family tree like this. Stick the crepe paper on the leaves like this. Okay. You have to stick the green crepe paper on the family tree like this. Cover the leaves, all of them, with the crepe paper like this. You have to use a lot of glue. Just do it one by one until all the leaves are covered with the crepe paper. And if already covered, you stick the photos of your grandfather, grandmother, mother, father. If you have brother or sister, you can stick on the family tree just like this. And don't forget, write your name.